So I'm putting in an insert in this door. I'm trying to do this as easily as possible, so I just removed the door off the hinges by screwing it. There's some locks or something in the other hinges that I saw because I'm doing 3 doors, so I'm just gonna do it this way. It's probably easier, and then instead of removing this, I'm gonna see if I can cut around it without needing to remove it. And I'm trying to figure out how much I need to cut. So I just put these screws in. They line up to the edge. Just put them in so they don't move. And measuring it across, I can see it's 23 inches I need to cut. It's a 23-inch hole. Now I'm gonna move these screws to these holes and do the same thing. See if I can figure it out. So now I got these in. I'm gonna measure the same way and round it to 1/2 inch. Looks like 64 3/4 would have been good. So 64.5 would be not enough. Yeah, so I'll cut 64 3/4. So 23 by 64 3/4 should do it. And I want to try to figure out the center. So I think these are 22 by 64, so I'll have to cut a little bit more past these frames, these boxes. And I'm gonna be using, I'll see actually if I can use my circular saw. I brought out the various tools I might be using. For sure the circular saw with the diamond cutting blade will easily cut through this, and I can do most of it in one pass, I'm thinking. But I won't be able to get through it with the jigsaw or the circular saw here because of these. I would have to remove the locks, so that's why I brought my circular, or my jigsaw, or sorry, my whatever they call this, reciprocating saw, I guess, and then the angle grinder, which I should be able to just cut this around the locks with it. And then once that's done, I will have to do the same thing on the other side. I think I'm gonna have to do it twice, at least for this area. So let me get to it.